You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. This is a Spanish word for Marquis, you know, the noble rank or title. Marques, as in Marques de Cáceres, Marques de Riscal. There are quite a few bodegas, wineries called Marques in Spain. Marques is the Spanish pronunciation. In English, this is also a name pronounced as Marques. Pretty much like the Spanish pronunciation, really. Marques. In Spanish again, the pronunciation Marques. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Marques. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.